In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CRM backup in HubSpot. Backing up your CRM is one of the most important habits you can build when managing customer data. It gives you peace of mind, protects you from accidental deletions or mistakes, and helps you stay compliant with your company's data policies. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to create a backup inside HubSpot, and I'll also explain what to expect during the process so there are no surprises. First, start by logging into your HubSpot account as you normally would. Once you're signed in, look at the top toolbar. On the right-hand side, you'll see a small gear icon. This is the settings icon, and it's where most of the account and data configuration options live. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your settings. After the settings page loads, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This is where all of HubSpot's settings are grouped into sections. Scroll down until you find the section called Data Management. Take your time here because there are a lot of categories and it can be easy to scroll past it. Once you see Data Management, click on it to expand the options underneath. Under the Data Management section, select Backup and Restore. This is the area dedicated specifically to creating and managing backups of your CRM data. When the Backup and Restore page opens, make sure you're on the Backup tab. If there are multiple tabs, just double check that backup is the one highlighted so you're working in the right place. On this tab, you'll see an option to create backup. Click that button. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, HubSpot shows an important message explaining how the backup works. It will tell you that your backup might take a while to finish if you have a lot of data. That's completely normal, especially if your CRM contains a large number of contacts, companies, deals, or activities. The pop-up also mentions that you'll receive a notification once your backup is ready to download. This is helpful because it means you don't have to sit and wait on the page. You can continue working in HubSpot, and the platform will let you know when the file is prepared. Another key detail in the message is that after the backup is ready, you have 14 days to download it before the link expires. This time limit is important, so it's a good idea to plan ahead. As soon as you get the notification, try to download the backup and store it in a secure location, such as an encrypted drive or a dedicated backups folder your team uses. Once you've read the message in the pop-up and you're comfortable proceeding, click the Create Backup button inside the pop-up to confirm. HubSpot will then start generating your backup in the background. Depending on the size of your database, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to significantly longer, so don't worry if it's not instant. Later on, when you receive the notification from HubSpot that your backup is ready, open that notification and follow the link to download the file. Save the backup somewhere safe and clearly labeled so you or your team can find it easily if you ever need to restore data or review historical records. And that's it. You've successfully created a CRM backup in HubSpot, and you now know where to go and what to look for the next time you want to run a backup.